Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you quick demonstration how to stop people adding you to WhatsApp group without your permission. No one adding you any types of WhatsApp group. So how to deal with this? So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a mobile screen. Let's start as a demonstration. First of all, open your WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp application profile, and here account setting is there. Like here some basic options are available like privacy, security, one step verification, change your number, request your account information, and delete my account. So I click the privacy setting, and here several options are available: last seen, profile photo, about us, and groups. So I click the groups here. So here number one options are the everyone. I can select the everyone, anyone adding me using my mobile number, adding me number of groups, but I am clicking the my contacts only. So basic, suppose 100 200 people listed in my contact, only those people are adding me WhatsApp group. And third number options are there, all my contacts, but some people are adding me only WhatsApp group, like my family member and some friends. Two people are adding me in WhatsApp group only, no one adding me in WhatsApp group. So you can select third number option, no one adding you in WhatsApp group, my contact listed, and only your contact listed people are adding you in WhatsApp group, and everyone. So XYZ people also adding you in WhatsApp group. So I can click my contact and go with that, and otherwise you can follow the specific people adding you in WhatsApp group. So this is a simple tips and tricks new updated in WhatsApp. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.